Are we living through the biggest financial bubble of our lifetime? Many analysts believe the artificial intelligence (AI) bubble today is even bigger than the dot-com bubble of the late 1990s, and the warning signs are everywhere. Investors are being swept up in a frenzy of excitement, but history reminds us one simple truth. There is no such thing as, "It's different this time." The AI boom feels unstoppable. Everywhere you look, AI dominates the headlines. Companies are rebranding themselves overnight to include "AI" in their names. Stocks of firms connected to AI infrastructure, from semiconductor giants to cloud providers, have skyrocketed. Valuations of AI startups with little to no revenue are hitting the billions. Sound familiar? It should. This was exactly the story of the internet bubble in the late 1990s, when investors poured money into any company with a .com at the end of its name. But here's the difference. The scale of today's AI mania is far larger. Global capital is more abundant, retail investors are more active, and social media amplifies hype at lightning speed. What took years to inflate during the internet bubble has now happened in mere months. Valuations defy logic. The internet bubble was marked by companies with no profits, little revenue, and sky-high stock prices. Today, the AI bubble mirrors that, but on steroids. Some AI firms are trading at price-to-sales ratios above 50x, levels that even the wildest dot-com stocks rarely sustain. Private funding rounds are equally dizzying. Venture capitalists are showering billions into generative AI startups with unproven business models, hoping to catch the next Google. Yet most of these companies burn cash at an alarming rate and rely heavily on cloud infrastructure providers who themselves are raising prices. When valuations decouple this far from underlying fundamentals, the outcome is inevitable. The bubble bursts. It's different this time, the most dangerous words. During the dot-com boom, investors insisted that the internet had changed everything, that traditional valuation metrics no longer applied. Today, we hear the same chorus. AI is unlike anything we've seen before. While AI is indeed revolutionary, the markets have a habit of overshooting before reality sets in. History is merciless in reminding us. No bubble has ever survived the claim that, "This time is different." Tulip mania, the housing bubble, the crypto bubble, all collapsed when the hype could no longer justify the numbers. Hidden risks lurking behind AI hype beyond lofty valuations. AI has real risks that many investors ignore. Unproven business models. Few AI firms have figured out sustainable ways to monetize their technology. High costs. Training and running AI models require staggering amounts of electricity and cloud resources. Regulatory uncertainty. Governments worldwide are rushing to regulate AI, which could slash profits and stall adoption. Competitive pressure. The barrier to entry in AI is not as high as many believe. New startups emerge daily, threatening market leaders. These risks compound the danger of inflated prices, making the eventual correction sharper and more painful. When the CEO of OpenAI rings the alarm. Here's the stunning part. Sam Altman, CEO of OpenAI, the company that triggered this global AI mania with ChatGPT, has himself admitted that AI is in a bubble. Think about that. The leader of the world's most influential AI company, the man benefiting most from this hype cycle, is warning investors and the public that valuations are detached from reality. If the captain of the AI ship is telling you there's a storm ahead, shouldn't you pay attention? Lessons from the internet bubble. When the internet bubble burst in 2000, the Nasdaq lost nearly 80% of its value. Fortunes evaporated, retirement accounts were decimated, and only a handful of companies, Amazon, eBay, Google, survived to thrive later. The rest were forgotten footnotes in financial history. AI will also produce winners, but the majority of today's hyped firms will not survive. Investors who ignore history may face catastrophic losses. Conclusion. A bubble too big to ignore. The AI revolution is real, but so is the bubble surrounding it. When even OpenAI's CEO says we're in a bubble, the writing is on the wall. Investors must remember. Bubbles always look unstoppable until the day they burst. This one is no different. If you found this report valuable, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you never miss the next big insight into markets and technology.